Hi, my friends. This is Miss Alexander, and today we're going to learn the coding technique, Verify User Input. Verify user input is checking whether the user picked a choice they were given. So this is also known as validation. The word valid means acceptable. Validation is checking whether the user made an acceptable choice. So if the user picks something that wasn't an option, we can let them know. For example, we want the user to pick the size of the rock for the worker to push. So we need to know what size, so the scale. We know that the values 0 and smaller cannot be used for scale, so those values are invalid. We will use this technique anytime there's a correct value the user can enter. For now, this most often means we're asking the user to enter a number within a certain range. We use our if statement to see the option was value, to see if the option was value. If it wasn't, then we can use our else clause to give a message saying there was a problem. The else can also give a default value, a value that we know works so that the program can go on without creating problems. Default means a value that the program picks for the user when they don't pick for themselves or they pick the wrong number. So let's go and look at what we have. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to run our program. So let's run our program. It says enter flame speed. I'm going to go ahead and enter a -100, you guys. Look at that. He's going backwards. But because he's going backwards, we want to make sure he always moves forward. We don't want him going backwards, so we're going to make it where negative speeds are invalid. So the first thing we're going to do is pick project, and we're going to pick flame. This is what we have so far. So we're going to add to the program start. I'm going to go to timing. Actually, I can't go to timing. I need to go to, because I already have before program starts, we're going to add to it. I'm going to go to decisions, and we're going to get the if-then statement. So if, and we're going to grab the greater than or equal to, and right here we're going to put user speed. If the user speed is greater than or equal to 0, then I'm going to set the speed so that it does user speed. But what happens if they put it backwards? So I'm going to go to the gear, and I'm going to get the else and connect it. And then we're going to put in, I'm going to start off with here where we hit speed. I'm going to quick do this one because this is a little easier for me. We're going to put it as 10. And then we're going to go to text because we're going to want it to print something to let them know they print the wrong thing. So we're going to write right here, sorry, but flame. Oh, well, that was interesting. I somehow deleted it. So let's go ahead and try that again, you guys. So I'm going to say, sorry, but flame can't go backwards. Setting his okay, now that we have that, let's see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and play, and again, I'm going to put in -100 and see what it tells us. Sorry, but flame can't go backwards. Setting his, look, he's going forward. That's kind of cool. This also lets us pick a default behavior in case where the user entered in a valid input. We set flame speed to 10. So as you're doing this, take your time. Make sure to breathe, have fun, and follow each step. It only takes us some time to learn. And always remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. I'll talk to you later. Bye.